Welcome to our rice cooker showdown. Today we're comparing two popular 3-cup rice cookers, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker. We'll dive into their features, pricing, and cooking capabilities to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. The Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker utilizes a simple mechanical control system, making it easy to use but limiting its functionality. In contrast, the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker features advanced fuzzy logic technology, allowing it to adjust cooking times and temperatures for optimal results across various types of rice and grains. When it comes to price, the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker is a budget-friendly option at just $59, making it accessible for those who want a reliable rice cooker without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker comes with a higher price tag of $109, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. The Zojirushi rice cooker is designed primarily for cooking white rice, making it a straightforward choice for those who prefer simplicity. However, the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker offers a wide range of cooking options, including brown rice, quinoa, and even oatmeal, thanks to its multiple menu settings. This versatility makes it a great choice for families looking to prepare a variety of meals. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi 3-cup rice cooker and the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a simple, affordable option, the Zojirushi is a great choice. However, if you want versatility and advanced features, the CUCKOO is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.